Hello. Do you want to get expressive landscapes with your Sony Alpha? Here is a 5-step tutorial on how to shoot a long exposure with your camera. Step 1. Set your camera to manual mode power on your Sony A6500 and rotate the mode dial, located on the top of the camera, to M for manual mode. This mode gives you full control over the camera's shutter speed and aperture settings, which are crucial for long exposure photography. Step 2. Adjust the shutter speed. Use the main control dial to change the shutter speed. For long exposures, you'll want a slow shutter speed. Rotate the control dial to set the shutter speed to a value anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes, depending on the effect you're aiming for. Step 3. Set the aperture. Find the control dial on the top of the camera and set the aperture. Adjust the aperture to control the depth of field and the amount of light entering the lens. A higher f number will give you a greater depth of field and reduce the amount of light, which is ideal for long exposures in brighter conditions. Step 4. Use a tripod and set a timer. To prevent camera shake and achieve sharp images, mount your camera on a tripod. Then, to minimize vibrations when pressing the shutter button, set a timer. You can set the timer by pressing the FN button, navigating to the drive mode, and selecting either a 2-second or 10-second delay. Step 5. Focus manually and take the shot switch your lens to manual focus mode. Use the manual focus ring on your lens to finely adjust the focus to ensure your subject is sharp. Once you're satisfied with the focus, press the shutter button. The timer will count down, and the camera will take the shot with your set long exposure. And that's all there is to it. With these 5 steps, you're now ready to capture breathtaking long exposure shots with your Sony A6500.